Colo-Colo pulled out all the stops to welcome Arturo Vidal back to the club in a bizarre unveiling. The 36-year-old star has rejoined the club where his senior career began 19 years ago.
Vidal played for the club between 2005 and 2007 before moving to Europe and starring for the likes of Juventus, Bayern Munich, Barcelona and Inter Milan. After 1 year with Brazilian side Atlético Paranaense, he jumped at the chance to return to home to Colo-Colo.
And the Chilean club gave him an unusual red carpet treatment as he arrived back at Estadio Monumental David Arellano. "35,000 fans packed into the ground to see him once again, and Vidal arrived in a helicopter that landed in the center of the pitch.
Read more in FOOTBALLALL Star League move over Ryan Reynolds. The unexpected A-list stars who own football clubs showstopper win a pink Lamborghini Urus or £175,000 cash from just 89p with our discount. They then propped him up on a horse draped in a cloak and handed him a king's crown and sword. Vidal then paraded around the pitch with his arm aloft as fans watched on. Things showed no signs of slowing down as he then grabbed the microphone to deliver a speech.
The 142-time capped international broke down in tears as he revealed how happy he is to be back at Colo-Colo. Most read in football deadline day: De Gea declined Premier League move, Broja joins Fulham, Benrahma appeal Val in Spurs hijack Barcelona's transfer for Swedish wonder kid Lucas Bergvall shock Korea move, Lingard on verge of shock South Korea switch after 8 months unemployed, Eric's epic fail, Man United fans fume as Ten Hag sells highly rated wonder kid casino special, best casino welcome offers to finish off, the man nicknamed King Arthur booted footballs into the crowd.
Fans loved the unveiling, one said. If you're going to return to your boyhood club after 17 years away for one last dance, this is the way to do it. Superb. Another added, this is crazy and hilarious simultaneously. More commented, that's some wild entrance.
A fourth said, this is the new benchmark when it comes to player presentations. Transfer News Live. All the latest transfer deals from around the world this January.